man, just went to your page now, bro. These algorithms suck, bro. None of this stuff hits my timeline, bro. None of this stuff hits my timeline. I ain't know you had a song with J Monty. I ain't none of that, bro. These algorithms are trash.
Go hard like 4, really, that shoe game like 450. I got married with so giddy, swear my wife's skin looks so pretty. I don't care if they roll with me, headed to the top, but they don't give me. That's why some peeps get gold with me. I'm a heathen just like Garvey. I am adjusting the elephants that are right here in the room. Church is way more than the people who walk in the building. No wonder you see in my Zoom. I ain't the truth, I'm just a messenger. I got the views up on the regular, get in the booth, writing like Eminem. This is the proof, no one is better than my God. They ain't get that proof line, better rewind, beats 5 stream, this is production. I be making sure the people that I'm working with getting credit. I invest in my endeavors. I ain't selfish, I'm just fed up with these hecklers. Walk around like it was tether, grinding hard like Ryan Sheckler. You cheddar, I ain't work, shut your mouth. You's a clown, you TikTok and you want clout. Time's run out, punch so out. I make song and it go bounce, bounce. I swear they never ready.
What?